Hello students, NWE are here with new chapter called Chemical Reactions and Equations for Class 10. Chapter number 1. Science. Let's begin with topic 1. Chemical equation. A chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. It shows the reactants, substances that undergo change, on the left-hand side, in the products, new substances formed, on the right-hand side. An arrow, right arrow, separates the reactants and products, indicating the direction of the reaction. Example, H2 plus O2, H2O. This equation represents the reaction between hydrogen, H2, and oxygen, O2, to form water, H2O. 2. Writing a chemical equation. Steps to write a chemical equation: identify the reactants and products, determine the starting materials and the substances formed. Example, reactants, hydrogen 2 and oxygen 2. Product, hydrogen 2, oxygen. Write chemical symbols and formulas. Use the correct chemical symbols, formulas for each substance. Example, hydrogen is H2, oxygen is O2, and water is H2O. Include the physical states. Indicate the state of each substance using symbols. S, solid, L, liquid, G, gas, AQ, aqueous. H2 plus O2 equals H2O. Balance the equation. Ensure the number of atoms of each element is equal on both sides. 3. Balanced chemical equation, step by step. A balanced chemical equation ensures the law of conservation of mass, stating that mass cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Steps. Write the unbalanced equation. Example, H2 plus O2, arrow, H2O. List the number of atoms of each element on both sides. Reactants, H equals 2, O equals 2 products, H equals 2, O equals 1. Adjust coefficients to balance atoms. Verify balance. Reactants, H equals 4, O equals 2 products, H equals 4, O equals 2. Write the final balanced equation. 2H2 plus O2 equals 2H2O, combination. Reaction. A reaction where two or more substances combine to form a single product. General form, A plus B to AB. Example, 2H2 plus O2 to 2H2. OB. Decomposition reaction. A reaction where a single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances. General form, A B arrow, A plus B. Example, 2HgO arrow, 2Hg plus O2C. Displacement. Reaction. A reaction where a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. General form, A plus BC arrow, AC plus B. Example, zinc plus copper sulfate arrow, zinc sulfate plus copper D. Double displacement. Reaction. A reaction where ions are exchanged between two compounds to form new compounds. General form, AB plus CD arrow, AD plus CB. Example, Na2SO 4 plus Ba, Cl2 arrow, BaSO 4 plus 2, NaCl. Oxidation and reduction, redox reactions. Oxidation, loss of electrons or gain of oxygen. Reduction, gain of electrons or loss of oxygen. Example, 2 milligrams plus oxygen, 2 to 2 milligrams oxygen, 2 magnesium plus oxygen, 2 to 2 magnesium oxygen. Magnesium is oxidized and oxygen is reduced. 5. Effects of oxidation reactions in everyday life. Corrosion, the slow destruction of metals due to reaction with moisture and oxygen. Example, rusting of iron, 4 iron plus 3 oxygen, 2 plus 6, water 2 to 4, iron hydroxide 3. Prevention, painting or galvanization, coating with zinc. B. Rancidity, the oxidation of fats and oils in food, resulting in bad taste and odor. Example, spoiling of fried foods when exposed to air. Prevention, storing food in airtight containers, adding antioxidants like vitamin E.